warm welcome to Supergrads Cat. I hope आप सबके CMAT 2024 का preparation अच्छा चल रहा है. And if not, I had mentioned previously also that we have started with CMAT Crash Course series for you guys and CMAT Rapid Revision series for you guys. सिर्फ 5 दिन रह गए हैं CMAT exam को. The exam is on 15th May. I hope you guys have downloaded your admit cards as well. Now we bring to you CMAT 2024 one-shot revision series, which will be again live on YouTube on the same channel where you have been watching the Crash Course series and the Rapid Revision series. So we are starting it from tomorrow, that is 11th May to 14th May, and it will be live at 3 p.m. on a daily basis. Now, what all things you will get from this series? So this series for one shot revision will give you a focused preparation. So we will be covering the important topics over here. The preparation will be focused, expert guidance, high yield topics. So we will be covering the topics which have the maximum weightage in CMAT exam. Then previous year questions, and you would be able to also understand the type of questions that would be asked in the exam. Again, we will be doing revision of all the important concepts and all the important topics over here. Then important tips for you guys for your D-Day, some CMAT exam day strategies as well that can help you on the D-Day. And post this, you would be able to identify the areas of improvement and what are the mistakes that you should not conduct on the exam day or on the D-Day. Now, this is the schedule of the sessions. From the 11th May, we are starting, that is from tomorrow, we are starting. To 11th May, you will be having QA and DI. And it will be again one-shot revision series, as I mentioned. 12th May, that is Sunday, you will be having logical reasoning. 13th, we'll be doing a one-shot revision of the language comprehension section. 14th, we'll be doing a one-shot revision of innovation and entrepreneurship section as well. Okay, so that was all from my side. I hope you all are all set for the CMAT exam क्योंकि सिर्फ 5 दिन रह गए हैं. So now is the time that you need to prepare really well. You need to understand the strategies, your strengths and weaknesses for the exam. And if you haven't watched the rapid revision series or the crash course series yet, if you wish to understand some important concepts related to any particular topic, you can watch these two series. I'm putting the link in the description box. And if you want to practice or test yourself with regards to the exam, then we also launched the CMAT mocks for you guys. Uska bhi link I'm putting in the description box. And I wish you the best for your CMAT exam. Stay tuned on Supergrads Cat.